everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on cow. A cow is a gentle and useful farm animal. It gives us milk which is healthy and tasty. Cow eat grass, hay and vegetables. They are mostly white, brown or black in color. Baby cows are called calves. Cows help farmers by plowing fields and carrying loads. Their milk is used to make butter, cheese and curd. Cows have two sharp horns and a long tail. In some places, cows are respected and worshipped. Cows are friendly animals that help humans in many ways. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.